Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, today we will learn number counting 1 to 30 and then children we will randomly recognize numbers from 1 to 30. Children, today we will read numbers spellings of numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. And children, in written we will write numbers 1 to 20 in series in the notebook and then we will trace and write number 13 in our maths activity book. So children, let's start our maths class. Children, now let's number counting 1 to 30. I have written on the board and come on, let's speak together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and after 9 comes 10. 1, 0, 10. After 10 children, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and here comes 20. 2, 0, 20. Children, after 20 comes 21. Look here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Children, in this way you have to learn number counting 1 to 30. And now children, come on, let's randomly recognize some numbers. I am going to put a circle on some numbers which you have to recognize. Okay, now look here children. The first number is, look here. Which number is this? This is 1, 7, 17. In this way you have to speak. Yes, 17. Now the next number is single number. Which number is this? Yes children, you are right. This is number 4. Now children, come on, say, speak. Which number is this? This is 2, 9, 29. Yes. Children, now tell me, which number is this? This is 1, 3, 13. Children, now tell me, which number is this? This is number, single number 8. Yes, this is 8. Children, now tell me, which number is this? This is 2, 0, 20. Yes, now you all are able to recognize. Now tell me children, which number is this? This is 2, 2, 22. Okay children? Yes. Since you know the number counting, now you are able to recognize these numbers. In this way, you have to practice randomly recognizing numbers. Children, today I will teach you to write numbers 1 to 20 in series. First, I am going to write on the board which you have to watch carefully. So children, look at the board how I am writing. Then I will show you how to write in the notebook. Look here children, this is today's date. Today is 27th August 2021. Children, I have made the page of your notebook on the board. So, while writing, when we will start children, we will leave the first block. Okay, we will not write in the first block. So, leave the first line up and then start from the second one. So, let's start children. We will write 1, then 2. Write on the line and don't leave any block in between. Then comes 3. After 3, this is number 4. So speak and write. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 9 children comes 10. So 1 will come here and 0 will come below 9. In this way, you have to write 1 to 10. Then children leave the next line and from the next to next line you will write number 11. After 10 comes 11. Then 12 like this. 13. Now comes 14. Then 15. 16. 17. 18. 19 and here comes 20. In this way you have to write 1 to 20. Children, now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write number counting 1 to 20 in series in the notebook. Children, leave the first block, okay, and start writing from the second one. So you have to leave the first line, and first we will write today's date. Today is 27th August 2021, like this, children. Now start writing. We will start with number 1. After 1 comes 2, 3, 4, 5, write on the line, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes 10. 1 will come this side and 0 will come below 9. In this way you have to write 1, 0, 10. After this, children, you will leave the next line, okay? And you have to start writing from here. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. Don't leave any block in between and write on the line. 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and here comes 2, 0, 20. See, we have written 1 to 20. Now again we will repeat it, okay? So leave next 2 lines, okay? And then start writing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 will come here, 0 will come below 9. Again leave the next line. 1, 1, 11. After 10 comes 11. Then 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And here comes 20. 2, 0, 20. So children, we have written 2 times. We can write one more time in this page. So let's write again. Leave the next 2 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. After 10, children, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and here comes 20. In this way, children, you have to write number counting 1 to 20 in your maths notebook. Children, now let's read number names with the help of capital letters. Okay? Now you are able to recognize alphabet A to Z. So come on, with the help of them, let's read the number names. This is number 1, O-N-E, 1. After 1, children, comes 2, T-W-O. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. After 2, children, the next number is number 3. And its spelling is T-H-R-E-E, 3. This is number 4. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. So children, with the help of capital letters, now you are able to read number names 1 to 4, isn't it? Let's say it one more time. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. In this way, children, you have to do the practice of reading number names 1 to 4. Children, now bring your maths activity for generations book. Open page number 19 and write today's date. Today is 27th August 2021. Like this, children. Children, you have to trace and write number 13. 10 and 3 more makes number 13. Children, there are some pictures of beautiful snails. Let's count how many of them are there. Okay, let's start. We always start counting from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is number 13. 13 means this. 1, 3, 13. Come on, let's trace and write number 13. Children, put your pencil on this pink dot and then just trace these small dots like this. Okay. In this way, slowly and evenly you have to trace number 13. Like this, you have to finish the first line. See. So this line is finished. Now we are on the second line. And in the second line also you will trace number 13 the same way. And in this block which is empty, you have to write on your own like this. 1 and 3. And you have to touch the bottom line. This bottom line right on the line. Okay. Again, children, trace and write in the next line and finish it till here. And in these blocks, children, the boxes which are empty, you have to write on your own. You have to fill all these squares like this. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Like this, children, you have to finish it till here. So, children, finish page number 19 of your activity book and finish all these boxes. Write 13 in them and send its picture to me.